Feeling overwhelmed about starting your online business in 2025? Let's make it easier. We're breaking down the best completely free tools that helped us go from stuck to sales. From research and branding to websites and organization, we're handing you our full toolkit so you can build smarter, not harder. You'll want to stick around until the end for a bonus tool we are giving away. Let's dive in. Before you launch anything, do your research. Here are 3 free tools that we swear by. Answer the public. Type in any topic and get instant content ideas based on what people are actually searching. This is gold for product ideas, captions, and blog posts, all of it. Instagram search. Yes, the Explore page is your secret weapon. Type in keywords related to your niche. See what's trending, what hooks are working, and get inspired. Google Trends. Want to know if your idea is hot or fading? Google Trends shows you the rise or fall of interest over a period of time, so you don't waste your own time creating something nobody's looking for. Next, it's time to brand your business and make it pop. These tools help you create content that sell without spending a dime. Canva. The queen of graphic design. From logos to carousels to ebooks, Canva does it all. Use their templates for inspiration and create your own style of posts. Pexels. Free, high-quality stock images and videos. Perfect for Pinterest pins, Reels, or faceless branding. Remove BG. Without Canva Pro, you can't remove the background, so this is a perfect free tool. Upload a photo, remove the background in seconds. Works like magic for product shots, thumbnails, and mock-ups. Bonus tip, pair Canva, Pexels, and remove BG for a seamless content workflow. You're becoming a CEO, stay organized like one. Trello, a drag and drop board system to track content, to-do list, launches, and ideas. We use this every single day. Google Sheets. Keep track of sales, affiliate links, content schedules, expenses, all in one place. Notion. A game changer for your brain. Build your own dashboard for vision boards, product ideas, content calendars, goals, or even just journal entries. Ready to share your offers? You don't need a fancy website to start. These free tools help you launch faster. Beacons, one of our go-to link in bio tools. Add your lead magnets, affiliate links, digital products, and even collect emails, all in one beautiful page. System.io. Want to build a full sales funnel? System gives you landing pages, email automation, and course hosting for free. Wix. Build a full website or blog with drag and drop features. Great for service providers, creatives, or product-based businesses. Marketing makes or breaks your business, and these tools make it easier. Metricool. Analytics for Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, even your website. Track growth and adjust your strategy like a pro. ChatGPT. We use it to brainstorm captions, create outlines, generate product ideas, and even name our freebies. Grammarly. Keep your writing clear, clean, and confident. Great for posts, ebooks, and emails. CapCut. Our favorite mobile app for editing short-form content. Easy, aesthetic, and completely free. Every tool on this list is free, powerful, and beginner-friendly. No excuses in 2025. And since you stuck around, we're giving you free access to our 5 simple steps to start a profitable faceless brand guide. Click the link below to get access. Start building smarter. Keep it simple, stay consistent. Remember, the only difference between those making passive income and those still watching is action. Hit the like and subscribe button to get more digital marketing education and tools. See you next time.